Whoa, 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 whoa. This was a bad idea.
Evening, guys. You join me this evening back in the Clwydian range, my backyard. I'm actually renting the Sigma 85mm 1.4 art lens. I mainly rented it for a wedding this last weekend, but while I've got it, may as well get out and use it. You can probably tell it's a bit breezy at the moment. It's because we're on the warpath with Storm Helena, Storm Helen. So I'm hoping you can hear this alright. But we've also got some gorgeous light coming through the clouds. I think sunset's about 15-20 minutes away. I'm a bit worried I might be going a little bit late, but we'll find out really. So as I say, I've got the 85mm lens with me today, but the one problem with that for landscape work is it's got a massive filter ring. It's 86mm. My filters are only fit 82, and the sun's just gone down behind the cloud. If you don't try, you don't win, eh? Anyway, I've still got my 24-70 as well, which I can use filters on, but we'll just see what happens really. We'll sit at the top. Nearly there. Oh, look at that. Very windy, I hope you can hear me, but I've got the 85mm on. Look at that, huge. I've just been eyeing up this signpost here, with some of the Clwydian peaks in the background. Now, obviously on 85mm, it's a bit of a tight composition in landscape, so I think I'm going to try portrait orientation. So we've literally got the walking post as an arrow almost, looking straight at Movamai. If it will fit. So apparently the signpost is actually wonky, so I'm just going to level out the camera with the signpost, although it is leaning towards Movamai's peak, so I'm going to keep the camera straight instead. There we are. So I'll show you this. That's my composition at the moment. You can't, it's not focusing very well, hang on. There we go. So we've got the signpost right there. That peak there is Mol Famau, and that's Mol Arthur. So I've pretty much cut out Mol Arthur at the moment. Although what I might try is a quick little panoramic. But I'm just going to reel off a few shots now using, because it's so windy, 2-second timer. There, I'm in manual mode, as you can see. Come on, there we go, manual mode. At the moment, because it's so windy, I've bumped up my ISO to 400 at the moment. On F8, they'll see how shaky the shot is. I might knock that down a bit. At the moment, that's giving me no, it isn't, 1/50th, changed to 1/40th of a second. So I'm going to use the 2-second timer. Then I'm going to move around to this side of the camera to try and shield it a bit from the wind. And yeah, we'll see how that goes really. I think what I'm actually going to do here is focus stack it, as you all know I like doing. And now I have the hardware and software to do so. I'll try and take you into Lightroom later and show you how I stack it. So let's give this a go. So focus on the signpost and then knock it into manual focus. 2-second timer. That's still pretty shaky. So I'm actually going to bump it to ISO 800. That's much better. So that was focus on signpost. I'm going to focus on Mol Famau. They don't look too bad on the back of the camera, but you can't really tell until you get back on the computer. But I think it'll be alright. We'll see what I come up with. I know it's probably too windy for you to even hear me. And I think most of the light is sort of gone. The valley is all a bit dark. A little bit of light in the skies. Just taking a shot of the moon, see if that's any good. I'll put it up now. I'm very tempted to get the drone out. Quite windy.
Don't do it.
We'll give it a go. Low flight. Right, let's go.
This was a bad idea.
take some footage. I'm just not going to fly it. So I'm very lucky to still have a drone. I won't be doing that again. Oh dear. But just for reference, I live there-ish. No. Bit down, roughly there. There's a village called Llanochan, which you can barely even call a village really. There's a church and an ice cream farm. That's about it. It's about as raw as you get. Now, you can probably see the sky is going well pink. That colour's coming out of nowhere now. I've just whacked on the 24-70 Tamron. Yeah, I'll try and do something with it. The light is actually really nice, even though it's dim, it's even. Now you sort of turn into the blue hour over that way. That's looking pretty good. We've even got the moon in shot here. So if I'm going to take a wide shot, again, of the walking sign. Just going to move it around a little bit. I'm fully wide at 24mm at the moment. All I'm going to do, I'm not going to bother focus stacking this. It's a fairly wide shot, so it won't be too bad. I'm just going to level out the camera. Getting my horizon on the upper third. Focus again on the walking sign. And then lock it into manual focus. My ISO is currently 400. I'm going to put that up to 800. And that 2.8, that gives me 1/60th of a second. So again, I'm going to put a 2-second timer on. And shield it from the wind. Let's give that a go. I think I might try the portrait orientation again as well. Actually show you this, can I? So that's where I'm looking at the moment. Yeah, it's alright. I'll probably crop a fair bit out of it in post. And then I'm going to turn around and have a look at that. Good thing being over here, that light is always over Snowdonia. Buzzing. I'm going to hurry up with this now. Right guys, That's it, I'm calling it. I'm trying to cover the mic. Yeah, it's getting dark. It's only getting windier. It's still quite warm, which is nice. But yeah, I think I've got a few decent shots, so I'm gonna get back, have some food, import these into Lightroom, and then take it from there, see what we've got. I'll see you there. No, that's not how you do it. Oh, it's not recording.